ARES Kudo automates tasks that would be tedious or time-consuming for the user to do manually, making them fast and simple. For example, if you need to convert dozens of PDFs into editable DWG files, ARES Kudo can do it for you, as well as many other tasks. From the drop-down menu in the upper right corner, we can access Drawings Automation Jobs, a new section in ARES Kudo. Everything starts with the New Job button. First, we select the automation type, such as DGN to DWG, or PDF to DWG, both following a similar process. Following a logical order in the dialog box, we first select the file we want to convert. In this case, it's a PDF. Next, we choose one of these templates, which are designed according to ISO or ANSI standards. Then, we assign a name to the resulting DWG file or keep the default name provided by the program. After that, we need to choose the type of task, one-time job, which runs only once. This option is currently selected. Recurring, which allows scheduling the same task to repeat at specific intervals. Or scheduled, which lets us set a specific date and time for execution. We will discuss these two options in more detail shortly. If we check this box, ARES Kudo will send us an email notification when the task is completed. Finally, you must specify the destination of the new file, which will be stored in the cloud. We click Start, and the task is sent to the production queue. Once the task is completed, the Done icon appears, and at the same time, an email notification is sent. An icon allows us to open the directory where the task result is stored. Now we can open the drawing and confirm that it's an editable DWG file obtained from a printed PDF. Imagine a different scenario, where we need to generate PDF files from a set of DWG files. A CAD project may involve multiple DWG drawings that we want to convert to PDF all at once. We can assign a name to the resulting PDF and select the paper size and units. Additionally, we want this task to run every Friday night to generate updated plans reflecting the week's progress. We enable email notifications and choose the folder where the file will be saved. Now we click Start, and we can see the task has been added to the production queue. Would you like to get an immediate result using the current settings to make sure everything is set up correctly? If so, you can duplicate the task. All previously selected options will remain, but this time choose one-time job to get a first result as soon as possible. If everything looks good, we keep the recurring task running. Otherwise, we can cancel it, make the necessary adjustments, or even clone it and modify only what we need. Let's check the result. As you can see, selecting 3 DWG files has produced 3 separate PDF files. What if a colleague has made changes to the design and we need to see exactly what was modified? With Drawing Compare, we can load 2 versions of the same file and clearly visualize the differences. Let's take this opportunity to show that the scheduled option allows you to set the task for a specific date and time, although it will run only once. This feature is ideal when we want to schedule something to run overnight or over the weekend while we take a break. The result is a merged drawing that shows common entities in one color, and highlights in red or green those present in only one version. ARES Kudo also allows you to extract data from a drawing with 2 available methods. The first one extracts all the information contained in the DWG file, resulting in a very large dataset. While you could filter this data later, using tools like Excel, ARES Kudo offers a more efficient alternative, using a DET file as a filter. This type of file is created in ARES Commander through the data extraction feature. If you have an ARES Trinity license, you also have access to ARES Commander, making it easy to generate the file. We select the drawing from which we want to extract data. Since we chose the option that uses a DET file, we'll select that as well. Remember, you can name the output file as you like. It will be generated in CSV format, which can be imported into programs like Excel or Google Sheets. You can learn about these features, and much more, on our YouTube channel.